Utah Fits all pays through Odyssey. Its rules land on the school, not just on the family. In the sidebar, under Administration, click Reports. A Utah school gets a Utah Fits All card. The badge counts the scholarship students it covers, and Download CSV gives you the numbers Odyssey's school portal asks for. Odyssey takes 5 amounts per student: tuition, enrollment, registration, meals, and activities. Those are the tax commission's Pub 35 categories. Your fee catalog decides the column. A yearbook is filed under activity, and Utah has an activity category, so it maps straight through. Art supplies are filed under supplies, and Utah has no supplies category. Pearspark drops that into the last column, other charges for review, instead of filing it as something it isn't. Back on Reports, click Compliance Checklist. Anything on a clock comes first. A scholarship student withdrew, and Utah Fits all gives the school 5 business days to report it in the Odyssey school portal. The roster runs that clock for you and dates it. File it with Odyssey, then click Mark Reported, and the banner clears. Your tier counts every enrolled student, not just the funded ones. Under 150, the CPA's solvency check and the fingerprint duties don't apply yet, so they aren't on your list. Write the refund policy once here. Utah Fits all requires a refund to go back to Odyssey, never to the family. And Utah requires the policy be published. That button prints it. Odyssey pays in 2 installments, July 31st and December 31st. This ledger is yours, not the portal's. Expected, received, and how long anything short has been outstanding. Odyssey asks the school to connect Stripe. Disbursements arrive here to be matched, and one that arrives with no student name is still listed, so nothing goes missing. Five categories, 5 days, 1 ledger. Try it free at Pearspark.com.